Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Farhan Jamil and today I'm going to answer a very important question, which is if I have to prepare an IELTS exam, so can I prepare it myself just by watching YouTube videos or not? So I'm going to elaborate it today that if you want to do it, so in which situation you can do it and in which condition I would recommend you not to go only for the YouTube videos. Instead, just hire an IELTS instructor. So first thing and the foremost thing is, when it comes to the YouTube, yes, it's true that all the content is available over there on the YouTube. If you want to improve your speaking, you can get to know what are the tips and how do you have to tackle your speaking exam, and what are the things that you need to keep in your mind when it comes to writing, reading, or even the listening test. You can get all the techniques through the YouTube. That is true. Even when I am teaching IELTS to my student, I usually take support from the YouTube videos or even from the Google, and I always ask my student that it's not like if you have started taking your training from me or from any IELTS instructor, so just stop watching YouTube or stop going to Google. No, that is a very good support. Even I use the content in our classes. So what happens? That content is just giving you the information. That is just the passive source. For instance, if a student has learned all the techniques about writing, or let's suppose about reading, and he has, or even about speaking, and he has applied those things in his speaking, writing, or reading, is there any person who can give him the feedback that how he actually presented that, or if he is speaking just by learning different techniques from the YouTube, how is he actually applying those skills in his speaking, in his writing, in his reading, in his listening? Nobody would be there. YouTube is a good source of passive income, but YouTube is not a source for the feedback. You know that. So if you want to have the feedback, if you really want to know that how much band you are going to score, because YouTube is also not going to tell you that where do you stand, how much band you are going to score in your exam, and what mistakes exactly you are making in your writing, speaking, reading, or listening, and how you can improve your mistakes that you have in your module. Hiring a trainer will take you toward a customized training, will understand what problem do you have in your level, where do you lack. YouTube is not going to tell you. YouTube is more like a library, but it's not like when we go to the library, we actually absorb all the knowledge available over there. We just simply select what we exactly need, and most of the time we don't even know that which book do I have to read from a library. It's just like that. IELTS trainer is going to assist you in a way that what you should do. And even like in the SIFE training, we have very customized and the trailer course outline for the student. We always start with the assessment test, and we realize that what are the weaknesses, what are the strengths of the student, and we only try to teach him or her that what are the weaknesses of the student, where exactly we have to work on, and we just do that thing, which YouTube or Google is not going to do that. So IELTS instructor is going to let you know that how you have to perform and how you can improve, and what exercises, what activities, assignments you have to do in order to improve your weaknesses. So my technical question or my answer would be that you should hire the IELTS instructor, because it's not only about watching free of cost videos from the YouTube, it's about paying a huge amount to the body, to the examining body. If you're paying a lot of money over there, I believe you should not take the risk. But yes, if you are a frequent reader already in your life, if you already communicate well in English, if you're already a good writer, let's suppose you write a lot, your job or your task is already to write a lot of things, and you communicate the whole day in English, so yes, YouTube could be a good source. Just simply watch the videos, get the tips, tricks, techniques, go for exam. But if you are not a frequent reader, if you don't write much, and if you do not read much, let's suppose, or you're not listening to much of the English content, and you have never experienced IELTS test before, I would suggest you hire the trainer. And even before that, you must consult a trainer and ask him to give you the assessment, and that where do you stand and what are your weaknesses, how exactly is going to work for you. Then it would be really easy for you to make the decision. So if you ask me in one word, my suggestion would be yes, grab all the knowledge from YouTube, from Google, learn it, then apply it into your own skills, and get a trainer to give you the feedback. I hope I have answered this question well. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.